Hello everyone, welcome once again in Cool IT Help. In this tutorial, I will show you how to run C++ program inside NetBeans IDE 11.2 on Mac OS X Catalina. I will show you each step. Let's get started. Go to the Tools menu item, click here, then click on the Plugins. Then you will see this window. You will see available plugins, and here you have to find out C++. But C++ will not visible. Now you have to go to the settings. Then at this place, just check this box 8.2 plugins folder. Now go back the available plugins, click on this button, and then this will find out and download the available plugins, and this will be displayed in the list below. Now we have to select this. Check this C++ plugin. On the right hand side we have the details of this plugin. This is certified plugin. We can install it. Now proceed and click next, and this is the license agreement. Just check this box, click install, and this plugin files will be downloaded from the net, and make sure you are connected with the net, otherwise this downloading will fail, and this will not take more than 30 or 40 seconds, and this can be too fast if you have a very good internet speed. Okay, final, then you will see this verify certificate screen after completion of the previous process, and you can proceed. This is a self-signed certificate, so click continue, and the installation of the plugin will take place on this window, and this is done. And finally you will get this message, successfully installed. Click on the finish and close this window. Installation of plugin is completed. Now we will create a project inside the NetBeans IDE, then we will do compile and run. Now go to the file menu, then click on the new project. Under this new project window, select C++ option. On the right hand side you have to select third one, C/C++ application. Now click on the next, and at this window you can give the project name. If you want to change, you can proceed. The second one, this is the project location. If you want to save your project somewhere in a particular folder or location, so you can choose the browse button to select the folder. And this is the project folder that we are going to create, and this will be as default, leave as it is, and we are creating main file. And on the right hand side we have options for the following kind of programs we can create. We can create C, we can create C++. So I am going to create C++ program right here. Rest two drop down box, leave as it is with default setting. Click finish, and within few seconds you will see your project is set up on the left hand side under this Projects Explorer tab. Expand this tree and you will find such folders. Under this source file folder we have this main.cpp that we have created. This is a C++ template file which is created by default. You will find this information. Now I'm going to replace with some C++ code that will print a message on the console. So I have used a statement cout at line number 17 to print hello Cool IT Help on the console. I hope you guys familiar with the C++ syntax. Now save this file. Now I'm going to run this. Click on this green button. Here we go. You can see compilation activity has been started in this console box, output box, and finally you will get the output right here. Hello Cool IT Help. This program executed successfully inside NetBeans IDE 11.2. So guys, you have seen this is the way you can run your C and C++ program inside Apache NetBeans IDE 11.2 on Mac OS X Catalina. And this is the another program that will ask for the integer input, and once you type some input, that will be printed on the console. I hope you guys found this video tutorial relevant and useful. Please like this tutorial and please subscribe my channel. And for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.